Tired of your Wix website feeling like a digital haystack? Today, I will show you how to turn that content chaos into a user-friendly experience with checkbox and drop-down filtering. First, ensure you have the Wix Pro Gallery app installed from the Wix App Market if you are using images, or the Wix Repeater if you are using text. Now, activate developer mode in the Wix editor. This unlocks the power to add custom code for advanced functionality. With developer mode on, the Velo sidebar appears. This is where we'll add our code to connect the filters to your content, create your checkboxes and drop-down menu, assigning each a unique ID. You will find the ID field in the Properties panel after selecting the element. Now, add a dataset that connects your content to the relevant collection in your Wix database. This allows you to dynamically display and filter your content. Then, write the code that filters the data based on the selected checkboxes and drop-down option, using the Dataset setFilter function. Remember to test thoroughly to ensure everything works smoothly, and that's it. You've successfully implemented a checkbox and drop-down filtering system on your Wix site. Like and subscribe for more Wix tips and tricks, and create amazing websites.